Welcome back, Fly Vegans. Today we're making Fly Vegan ramen noodles. First we'll bring a pot of water to a boil, then throw in 2 packs of ramen noodles. As soon as you drop those in, turn off the heat. Let the noodles sit in the water for about 3 minutes and then drain the water. Spray a hot pan with olive oil. Throw in some green onion, minced garlic, and mushroom. Cook this for 10 minutes. Add some water to the pan, some vegetable bouillon, salt, pepper, soy sauce, and sriracha.
Noodles, noodles, noodles. I just want some noodles.
I'm going to let this simmer for 15 minutes.
Hold on 1 second before I forget. Give this video a thumbs up.
Now put your noodles in the bowl, top it with the ramen broth. Some green onion.
Don't forget those mushrooms.
I also added some roasted red peppers and
Sriracha. Now that's what I'm talking about. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this.
if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share with a friend, and don't forget to
subscribe.